Hey y'all, Edward the Lego Texan here with another speed build for you. Today we're building set 31201 Lego Art Harry Potter. And today we are going to be building the Gryffindor version of the art set. And this is actually my first art set. I've never owned one before. I managed to pick this set up at my local Barnes & Noble after I believe after it retired or just before it retired. And I was able to get it at normal price, so I didn't have to worry about paying any aftermarket prices for this. I got this normal price. I only managed to get the one, so I'm going to be building the Gryffindor today on this. I like the look of it on the box. I'm looking forward to the challenge of putting together an art set. This is, like I said, this is going to be a new one for me. I've never done something like this before, and let's see how it goes. I'm looking forward to it. So let's get to it. Hey y'all, welcome back for my review of the Harry Potter art set, the Gryffindor version. Here it is. Lighter than it looks, honestly. I mean, the size of this looks like it's gonna be fairly heavy. It's actually very, very light. The panels itself are actually fairly thin. So it's the 16 by 16 Technic panels, base plates. And of course, the entire art side of it is done in 1x1 round studs. And whatever the math is, 48 by 48 studs. I don't know the math on that. I'm not a mathematician, but it is, I think, in numbers in the thousands. And it took me 2 days to do this, and my thumbs are extremely sore from all the repetitive pressing. My back is hurting too from all that same movement. But the end result was worth it. I love the contrasts in the grays, especially in the shadow of the phoenix here on the griffin on the art itself. You can see the string of darker gray right here among all the black, as well as the lighter version of dark gray down here in the bottom. Love that dark red right here on the front, and all the golden white down here. It just gives it lots of contrast, lots of eye-catching color. And from my artistic viewpoint, it's beautiful. It's very well designed. You know, it's pixelated. You know, if you zoom in really close, you can see all the individual studs. But if you pull back, it's a very clean picture. I mean, still Lego, still pixelated, but still gorgeous nonetheless. This is actually the first of 5 different versions of this set that I am building. I will also be building the Slytherin, the Ravenclaw, and the Hufflepuff versions of this. The official instructions are in the book, as well as a mock bought from rubricable.com that turns this into a 48 by 48 Hogwarts Crest. So you don't have to buy all 4 art sets to make one huge one. It was a 96 by 96, I guess would be the dimensions, and it still remains 48 by 48, but it's scaled down. We'll make a Hogwarts Crest. Looking forward to building that one last and being done with the art series. For now, this is my very first art set, and I really, enjoyed it more than I thought I was going to. It flowed very, very well. The instructions are, structured very nice. Each individual panel has a page and easy to follow color directions. Handy dandy little key that was included in the box made it very easy to say, oh, this is the next color, and just follow the lines. Be ready to devote plenty of time to this if you have not built an art set before. This is my first one, so I'm not going to speak from the experience that you have to plan your studs very, very carefully so you don't put one in the wrong place, because one in the wrong place could make it look bad. I did also like the fact that they included a Harry Potter 2x4 printed tile. I like that a lot. Just, like a little artist mark in this, and it's very neat. So that concludes my review of the Gryffindor version of the Harry Potter art. Thanks for watching this far and following along, and please, if you like what you've seen, please give me a like and a subscribe. Also follow me in my other socials, TikTok and Instagram, both of which are linked in the description, and stay tuned for more art sets of the Harry Potter art. Take care, guys. Keep on building. Bye.